Hello dear kids, Assalamu alaikum. Today this is lecture number 5 and the topic is average atomic mass. What's average atomic mass? Average atomic mass is the sum of the masses of isotopes multiplied with relative abundance of each isotope in a 100 gram sample of element. It means when we take 100 grams of a sample of an element, then we have to write the masses of each isotope multiplied with relative abundance of each isotope, and then we divide this on 100 and the given number will called average atomic mass. Let's suppose an example. For example, we have a sample of an element. This is an element, suppose it is an element M. Now we have two isotopes of this element. One is M1 and next is M2. Now this M1 has mass, for example its mass is 30 and the mass of M2 is 31. Now, for example, the percentage of this is M1 is 96.0% and the percentage abundance of M2 is 4.0%. Now, using this data, we will calculate the average atomic mass of this element. How? We will write a formula. First of all, we write the mass of this, which is 30, multiplied with its relative abundance, which is 96.0, plus mass of this, which is 31, multiplied with the abundance of this M2, which is 4.0, and all this will be divided by 100, and the given answer will be the average mass of this element. Now we also have idea that the masses of different elements in periodic table are also in fraction. You must have seen that mass of hydrogen is written always 1.008 and the mass of carbon is 12.1. Similarly, mass of neon is 20.18. Now this is the point. Mostly we are asked a question, why the masses of elements are in fraction, यानी elements के masses को fraction में क्यों लिखते हैं? So the answer for this question is we have to calculate the average atomic mass of the elements, because elements exist in the isotopic form and each isotope have their own relative abundance. So using their mass and relative abundance, we calculate the average atomic mass. So periodic table में जितने भी elements हैं जिनका mass fraction में है, इशारे में है, वो असल में उनका average atomic mass होता है. Now we will apply neon. We will calculate the average atomic mass of neon. We already know that neon have three isotopes. There are three isotopes of neon. One is neon 20, second one is neon 21, and third one is neon 22. We also have idea about the percentage abundance of each isotope. The percentage of this neon is 90.92 and the relative abundance of this neon is 0.257% and the percentage abundance of this neon is 8.82%. Now using the percentage and mass of these three isotopes of neon, we will calculate the average atomic mass of neon. How? Let's see. The average atomic mass of neon is equal to mass of this neon, which is 20, multiplied with percentage abundance of this neon, which is 90.92 plus mass of this neon isotope, which is 21, multiplied with its with this relative abundance, which is 0.257 plus mass of this neon, which is 22. Here I have to write 22 multiplied with the relative abundance of this neon 22, which is 8.82. So plus 8.82. Now all this data is divided by 100, and when we perform this calculation, its answer comes 20.18. So this is average atomic mass of neon. Similarly, using this formula, the masses of all the elements are calculated. So one again you have to keep in your mind that the most of the elements have the atomic mass in fraction. The reason is that different elements have their isotopes, and each isotope have different mass and relative abundance. So using the mass and relative abundance in this formula, we calculate the average atomic mass. This was all about the average atomic mass definition, and then using formula in a common example, then using formula for calculation of average atomic mass of neon. Thank you.